Hello everyone, hope you are doing great today. I'm excited to introduce you to Zixflow. It's an innovative tool that will enhance your marketing and customer relations. Our platform is designed with an exceptional user interface and experience, which makes it both customizable and powerful. It's perfect for handling high volumes of traffic effortlessly. That being said, let's explore the WhatsApp channel. You will see campaigns, templates, settings, and reports here. To set up a new WhatsApp number, go to Settings. Click Add Number and then continue with Facebook. This will redirect you to the Meta website for a step-by-step process. You will need the phone number you wish to integrate, which must be able to receive an OTP message. Once you receive and verify the OTP, the number will be connected with Zixflow. A Facebook account with Business Manager access is required. But if you don't have one, you can create a business account during the onboarding process. Once the number is connected, you will see it here. The first thing we need to do is add all the necessary template that we need to start with, like welcome message, subscribe or unsubscribe messages. If you are registering a template, simply click on Add Template, give it a name, select a category based on the type of message. Then choose the message language and select Header. This gives you multiple options like text, image, video or document. You can add the body message here. Use footer to maintain subscribers. For example, if they type stop, they will receive a message like, "Hey, we have unsubscribed you from our contact list, and in the future, you won't receive any messages from us." This way, the user won't block your number if you respect their preferences. You can also utilize various buttons such as call to action, quick replies, WhatsApp flows templates, or e-commerce catalog templates. When all the information is added, just click Save. Now, let's go to your settings. Manage your business profile from here. Meta assigns a daily limit to each connected number. 250 if your business manager account is unverified and 1000 if it's verified. These limits will automatically increase based on your interaction with customer. Under Automation and Settings, you can auto-assign incoming messages and new contacts to your teammates. If you select more than one team member, it will be assigned in a round-robin manner. You can also enable opt-out messages for unsubscribed customers. Just click on it and you can choose any template that you want to send out. These templates are from your saved templates. Similarly, you can set up opt-in messages. This will remove the subscribers from the opt-out list. You can set work hours based messages as well. Let's move on to WhatsApp flows. It's like a form where you can capture information from users right there on WhatsApp without redirecting them to an external site. This will increase the conversion rate. You can use flows to book an appointment, get customer feedback, ask questions, and more. For example, a restaurant can ask for the date, time, and how many people will join for dinner. To create a flow, you need to set it up in Meta. Then sync it with Zixflow. Now, create a new template. As you remember, we have seen the Flows button while creating a template. If you are an e-commerce company, you can create a catalog and follow the steps to connect it with Zixflow. Once all these steps are done, you can click on Connect. Now let's say our number is connected and we have completed the template registration and basic settings. It's time to send out a campaign. To send out a campaign, you must have a balance in your Zixflow wallet. Meta charges for each conversation or message sent between the brand and the customer. We'll go over the pricing details later. But for now, understand that you need to maintain a wallet balance. For starting a new campaign, click here. Fill in a campaign name and choose a number. You can select the audience from the people collection or create your own segment here. You can directly copy-paste the list of numbers. It can support up to 3 lakh numbers in one go. Or you can upload the file. Make sure to always use the country code in numbers. After that, you need to choose a template. You can schedule it or split it into multiple sub-campaigns. Once ready, just click on Send Campaigns. Under Campaigns, you will see the status, like how many messages were sent and how much money got deducted. If failed, it will show you refunded as well. You can get the analytics or number-wise report here. Now, let's see the reports under the summary report. You can view a day-wise summary. The report log will show you number-wise status for the selected date. You can also download a number-wise report. Here is the pricing table. Zixflow supports multiple currencies. For this demo, we will use USD. Once you sign up to Zixflow, you can view our prices based on the country where your company is registered. At Zixflow, you only pay for delivered messages. Undelivered messages will be automatically refunded into your Zixflow wallet. Our pricing includes Meta WhatsApp rates. With the pay per conversation model, you can only pay for a conversation. So basically, the brand and the customer can talk to each other for 24 hours and you will be charged only for that one conversation. The price varies based on what message you are sending. Marketing is basically any promotional message you want to send. Service is if a customer is reaching out to you directly. Utility is if you are sending any transactional message. And authentication is an OTP message. So, you can see how much you are paying for each conversation, and we believe it's very cost effective. Now imagine you have sent out a lot of messages and now people are replying to you. How do you manage this? This is where the inbox feature comes into play. You can see who has replied, exchanged messages, and view all the attributes of a particular user. You can hide or adjust the width of the card, store notes, and more. Let's move to automation. Automation has two modules, Flows and Cadence. If you want to create a bot or send messages based on certain conditions, you can build your own entire flow here. Let's see how it works. You can set up triggers and responses. For example, when an incoming WhatsApp conversation starts, that can be my trigger to send the first message. If a user clicks on button No More, different actions can be triggered. For instance, clicking on WhatsApp will send a specific message and clicking on SMS, email or CRM will trigger different messages accordingly. You can also add more details such as sending an SMS, setting a delay or sending another WhatsApp message to build a comprehensive flow. There are numerous triggers and actions available to customize the flows as needed. We have dedicated videos available for flows that you can explore later on. The next module is Cadence. Sales Cadence is basically sequencing. If you want to send the first message to a user and follow up after a few days, you can automate these messages. The salesperson doesn't have to do all the follow-ups. The system can do it for them. If someone replies, the cadence will break and the salesperson has to take over. You can set up breakup rules based on certain conditions like WhatsApp delivered, failed, email replied, opened, etc. Both modules can interact with multiple contacts, and these contacts will be called subscribers. For one contact, you can run unlimited automation with Zixflow, making it very cost-saving and ROI-driven. By default, you get 500 subscribers, but you can buy more according to your business requirements. SMS works the same way. You can go to settings and add your senders. Each country has certain regulations for sending messages. You can reach out to our team for help. For cold campaigns, we don't recommend WhatsApp as it might block your numbers. Instead, you can use an SMS campaign for bulk messaging and include a link for WhatsApp chat. This way, you can have one-to-one chat with leads. This has worked for so many of our customers. You can use a short link as well. So if you send a campaign and they click on landing page URL, it can capture the phone number of the user. This allows you to retarget them via other channels. Email marketing works similarly. Just go to Settings, first add your address here, verify your own domain by adding a few entries into DNS, create templates. We have a text builder and a drag and drop builder to design, and follow the same process for sending campaigns. Let's move on to my favorite part, the People module. The platform offers a user-friendly and modern interface for contact management, making the experience top-notch. You can easily enter and save information, and the drop-down menu provides many options for creating various attributes on the fly. By going to the Manage Attributes section, you can tailor these attributes to suit your business need. If you want to adjust the view of certain fields, you can drag them left or right, change settings, or add multiple columns. You can also import existing contacts seamlessly. Filter allows you to segment contacts based on specific conditions, and you can create multiple views tailored to different users. Additionally, you can see the same data in the pipeline view or Kanban view. This will allow you to move cards between stages according to your business process. This makes contact management in Zixflow simple and efficient. Let's move to admin settings. You can invite multiple team members, create teams, manage general settings, security, and APIs. You can send messages using APIs or OTP, transactional, or other type of use cases. Our API is very simple to use. We also have many direct integrations. Additionally, we have AI-based agents that can talk to customers on WhatsApp. For more details, you can get in touch with our team. You can add wallet balance directly from here, manage your contact settings, and add attributes from the settings page. I hope you enjoy using Zixflow. If you need assistance, click on Help and Support, and our team will assist you ASAP. Or you can also email us at support@zixflow.com. Thank you.